OK。
哦，
这是跳电哦。Hi, I'm Irvin.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And we are the proud owner of this place. Our interior designer is Simon from Dream Home Concept. We did a number of reviews. We realized that Simon from Dream Home Concept was able to give us the comfort and also the assurance, and he was able to elaborate very clearly on the details, which is something that both of us, we enjoyed having the communication. My experience working with Simon is he's a very approachable and professional interior designer. We really love his design and artwork, so both of us, we were very satisfied with the work from Simon from Dream Home Concept. The favorite part of our home is the dry cabinet area. So we did specify to Simon back then, we would like to have these relaxed corner areas where we can gaze upon our items to recall back some of the beautiful memories that we had as we travel. Simon was able to do a very good job on our dry cabinet area. So it always gives us the vibe of very chilling, very relaxed moments together after a hard day of work. The greatest challenge that we had with this design of the house itself, together with Simon, is having the wet cabinet area and dry cabinet area being separated in terms of concept and also in terms of physicality. So we noted that for Simon, he really put in extra effort to have this frame door being built and also have the tinted glass to match our balcony window. So this is something that both of us were very grateful to Simon and Dream Home Concept. To all new homeowners, both me and my wife, we felt that the most important thing is to do your homework, have ample preparation. So we felt that around 3 to 6 months will be a good time when you communicate with your interior designer about your key concept so that they are able to capture on it. And for Simon, we believe he was able to deliver what we wanted. So with that, we would really like to thank Simon, our interior designer.
Thank you, Dream Home Concepts and Renopedia for the recommendation.
Visit Renopedia Social for more home inspiration.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.